Well, new tonight, a federal court ruling upholding background checks for New Yorkers who want to buy ammunition amid a lawsuit seeking to end New York's new background check system. 13 WHAM's Daniel Finkelstein now joining us with more on that decision and the impact here in Rochester. Daniel, good evening.
Good evening, Stephen. A federal judge ruled New York's ammunition background checks will remain in effect during a lawsuit brought against the state by a gun rights group. Local gun store owners are fed up with New York's background checks for ammunition.
People are not purchasing ammunition. They do not want to go through the background checks for ammunition.
The new system, a product of the 2022 Concealed Carry Improvement Act, passed months after the Buffalo Tops mass shooting. Last September, gun stores were required to start conducting background checks for each sale of ammunition. Every customer paying a fee to fund a statewide database. But a gun rights group sued the state, seeking an injunction against the law during litigation. On Thursday, a federal judge denied it. In a statement on that ruling, New York Attorney General Letitia James said in part, quote, "Our gun safety laws are meant to protect New Yorkers and help residents live free from gun violence. Part of these common sense laws is a strong background check provision for purchasing ammunition." Chris Martello disagrees.
Most people are traveling out of state to Pennsylvania to buy ammunition. They're not even bothering with this.
Nathaniel Abbey with All-Star Tactical in Greece says the policy has only inconvenienced the business, and it doesn't make New York any safer.
You know, there's tragic events that happen every day, and this industry is really struggling. And I really hope that there's positive things that can come about from talking to industry leaders and people that are experts in the field, and we can try to find that middle ground, you know, to make people feel more comfortable with firearms and ammunition sales.
Again, the background checks will remain in effect until a final decision is made.